Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the very next Lella Boutique box to share with all of you. This is from Secret Stitch Go. For those of you who do not know, we had one back in February that was Valentine's Day themed, and now we actually have her Christmas line to share with all of you guys, as well as all the goodies that are inside this goodie box. Here's what the box looks like, or at least the bag that it comes in. Let's go ahead and open it. It's just a solid white box. This is very similar to the size of a Sew Sampler box. The contents are also kind of similar to what you get in Sew Sampler as well. This does retail for, or I guess not retail, but you can pre-order it for $72. It ships out twice a year. Like I said, the first one was the Valentine's Day fabric line, and this is the Christmas fabric line. I don't know if next year will be the same because this is actually the first year that they've been doing this box. And then I also wanted to point out, as far as designer boxes go, I know for the My So Quilty Life, people were really hard on Heather's box as far as the value that you're getting for the money. And when I took a look at this this morning in kind of like preparation for this video, I noticed that the two boxes are priced very similarly. This one is $72, like I said. It does already include the shipping in that price, so shipping is not additional to that. But I think the difference in looking back at my video from February as well, the difference is that Lella Boutique actually gives you a significant amount of fabric, which makes the box really worth it, and there is a savings when you purchase this box. So just keep that in mind, but also keep in mind to be kind in the comments, because I do see that the fabric designers and people that they know do watch these videos and read the comments. So just be a little bit kinder, but I do appreciate your guys' feedback. So let's go ahead and see what's in our box. All right, when you open it, you do have this little insert here, and it says berry and pine. All right, this is the Lella Boutique goodie box. It's available at Secret Stitch Co.'s website. I'll go ahead and put all of this information down below. It is currently sold out right now, the subscription, but you can join their waiting list. And there's always a note, well, always, this is the second box, but there's a note from Vanessa, so let me go ahead and read this for you guys. All right, it says, "Hello, Merry Maker. This box is my little Christmas hug to you. Think of it as my way of sending some handmade holiday cheer, festive fabric, cheerful patterns, and a little holiday surprise. Whether you're decking the halls or your design wall, may it spark joy all season long. Cozy wishes, Vanessa." Okay, so we do have a fat quarter bundle here, just like we did with the Valentine's Day box. If you need additional fabric, because I actually really love this line, and I did mention previously this year that I purchased the patterns already that go with this fabric line, which means that I actually checked Fat Quarter Shop's website as well for the fabric, and they are like fully stocked. So if you guys love this fabric, this is just a small amount of the collection. It's actually a really large collection. But if you love this fabric, head on over to Fat Quarter Shop. Like I said, I'll put all these links below, so you know where to get everything, as well as the link to her patterns, because they're just so adorable. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll open these up and show you what we got. Actually, before I forget as well, Fat Quarter Shop is putting on their mystery quilt for, what do you call it, for Christmas. It's Up on the Rooftop, I think is what it's called, and the patterns actually come out for free, I believe, maybe this month. I know that the if you purchase the kit that goes with it, which I did, it actually ships this month, so I think the patterns are going to be coming out shortly as well. But that does feature some of these fabrics as well, so go ahead and check that out at Fat Quarter Shop as well. I'm really excited. Their patterns are usually super cute, these quilt-alongs that they do, mystery quilt-alongs. All right, that's it for the fabric. I'll go ahead and put the whole fabric collection up here in the corner as well for you to see. And then let's go ahead and see what else is in this box. Last time there's a whole bunch of goodies. This time I'm only seeing one goodie and then a whole bunch of patterns. So let's get into that. So here we got this ceramic ornament. Okay. And if you recall, I do still have my Christmas tree up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my Christmas tree now. Okay, our next items here are the patterns remaining in this box. So here we have a stocking pattern. This is a cute little stocking. It's about as big as my hand, which makes sense because they had to fit it in this box. So this is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Here are the instructions that go with how to make that cute little stocking. I think they're calling it a treat, yeah, a treat stocking. A festive mini stocking for treats and trimmings. This is called Jolly Good. Here are the requirements. Okay, and then we usually get exclusive patterns in this box as well. So here is Holly Jolly. It says deck your table with holiday charm. So cute little table runner in 2 different colorways. And then here are the requirements for this box. Okay, so I'm definitely curious as to why this one didn't contain the goodies that we got in our first box. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below about this box. Is it something that you plan on purchasing? If you do purchase it, were you happy with what you got? I'm very happy. Like I said, I had plans to buy a ton of this fabric line anyway for those patterns that I really want to make. But yeah, just let me know down below, and I really hope that you have a great 4th of July and a great weekend. Thanks, everybody.